Well, hello friends. I got a new piece of equipment today. I needed a pressure washer, and I need something light, easy to get around, do some extra work with and clean stuff, not just equipment, but some clients have some stuff I need to do off and on. And I found this Westinghouse WXP 3200 is the most, 3200 PSI, 2.5 gallons per minute. Yeah, I know it's not 4 gallons a minute, but I don't need $1,000 or $1,200 pressure washer. I got a great deal on this on Amazon. I don't know if they have any left, but it got great reviews, except a couple people complained that where the hose comes here near the exhaust, you can burn your hose. Well, I want to fashion a thing. Number one, I think you can just put the hose and run it around here. I think people are running it over here and probably burning it or something from the design, but I'm going to make a little thing to make sure it doesn't get burned, the hose doesn't get burned. Anyway, I got a deep discount on this. Basically, I think they were going for about $400 early on, and then they knocked it down maybe like $280 or something, $260. I got this one brand new, not refurbished. It's everything brand new in the box, as you can see there. And it was, I believe it was $149 and some change with tax and everything. And it got here, shipped here. You can see, got to put the oil in it and stuff. It's been drained. It's a nice little simple setup, nothing too fancy, but it'll have all the, I haven't put them all in yet. It's got all the different jets and the soaper and all that kind of stuff. Got a nice little wand. I'm going to see how it works, and I might add some other stuff to it. But I've been needing to get one. And I'll let you guys know how it works out. There might be other ones around the internet. I don't know. But for anybody who just needs a reasonably decent power washer, Westinghouse is a good name brand. 212cc, says it's an easy start. Everybody said they start right up. I saw one review where one guy said he ran his for 45 minutes and it stopped. He thought it locked up. Then he gave an updated review is that he didn't change the break-in oil. After he changed break-in oil, it's run like a top since. So there was like thousands of reviews around on these things. So there's a good history of the engine being okay. I'm not sure who builds it. I'm sure it might be, it could be a Chinese one or something. I don't know. And it doesn't really say. It could have been somebody they just had do it for them. But for 212cc, 2.5 with the wheels included and all that. Let's see if I get a little bit better angle down here. You can see the back where the pump is and everything. The pump has gotten pretty good reviews. The soaper line, suction line. Other than that, but it looks pretty good. We'll know after we use it. As you can see, I got some oil stain stuff in the driveway. Got to get done. So this will be my test page here, probably. I won't be doing it this week. I've got stuff I've got to do, business stuff. But anyway, just wanted to drop it out for everybody to take a look. Just opened it up. I just put the little rubber stopper on the front there. And I'm going to read the manual really closely. And yeah, you can see the soap is there. 0% for red, yellow's 15%, 25% is green, and 40% is the white spray. So they have a softer one and everything, and a harder one, and medium. But it's got a nice little, soft little thing up here. I haven't pulled the plastic off even yet. Came with 25 foot of hose. Not too bad. Not too bad at all, I might say. We'll see how it runs. You know me. I'll test it. I'll tell you how it really is. No beating around the bush on these kind of things. If it's crap, it's crap. But the way I see it is, for that price, hell, if I get a year or two out of it and running it hard, I didn't lose anything. So, but the quality of it does seem very substantially solid. I mean, it's not. Some of these things are rickety. Even the wheels and stuff feel like they're loosening. This one, the wheels are tight. they're not, and they got kind of a soft rubber, hard rubber mix on the wheels, which is kind of interesting. And then they got some stuff covered the way they've got the spark plug thing. You got a little easy pull off. Kind of nice. They got some nice little features on it, actually, for the price range it was in. Anyway, just wanted to drop you a line. Once again, it's the WPX 3200, which is 3200 psi, 2.5 gallons per minute, 212 cc, Westinghouse. Oh yeah, and there's a little soap thing down there, and people say that soap thing runs really well, and you can rinse it out fairly easily, apparently. So I haven't read it all yet, but anyway, I will give you an update in a few weeks, maybe. All right, till next time. Have a good one.